Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling text drop shadows from appearing on desktop icons on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Advanced System Settings. Best result should come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now underneath the Advanced tab, you want to select underneath Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Select the Settings button. And now that we're in here, underneath Visual Effects, select the Custom option at the bottom of this list, and then go down to where it says Use Drop Shadows for Icon Labels on the desktop. If you want to disable that or turn it off, just uncheck that box, select Apply and OK, and then OK again, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.